Hey guys, it's Mark from Hallmark Pool Supplies. I'm here today to talk to you guys about vacuum heads for your swimming pool. Regardless of what type of pool you have, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass, these vacuum heads that you see here, brush or wheel, can be used in any of the pools. Let's talk about vinyl first. For a vinyl pool, we have brush models, for an example. I like using a brush model because the brush model is raised, it is up off the floor, and it is also allowing us to brush the pool at the same time we're vacuuming the pool. So you're killing two birds with one stone. If we take a roller model, you can see that the roller model is going to be definitely low profile. It's much lower than the brush model. And when vacuuming a vinyl pool, if you have too much suction, because this is very low, the vacuum can stick, and that's not good. Another thing, if you have too much suction, you could get wheel marks in the bottom of the vinyl pool. Depending on if you have grout or if you have a vermiculite bottom will determine how bad those wheel marks could be. People use wheel models because they like to vacuum for speed, because they can move the vacuum much quicker than brushing. But with a roll model, you're not brushing the pool. That's why I like using brush on vinyl. That is my personal preference. Now, if we talk about concrete or fiberglass, those are hard surface pools. They can stick. No harm done, but you really don't want the vacuum sticking because you want to be able to vacuum. And with the roll model, you really won't get wheel marks so much, but people use these because they vacuum for speed. In a concrete pool or even a fiberglass pool, I still prefer brush because you're doing two things at the same time. You're brushing, you're vacuuming, and it is also much safer, especially in vinyl. Now, when we look at the different brush models, we have a model like this that's got brushes configured differently on the inside. As I showed you before, this one's on the outside. Then we have brush models like this one that have hydrostatics in them so that if the suction gets too great, these will go down, relieving the suction. And you can also see that this is also a very high raised vacuum as well, so we don't have a problem with it sticking. You can use any vacuum head for any pool, but I definitely prefer brush models for vinyl, and even in the concrete and the fiberglass pools, I prefer brush because this way, like I said before, you're getting to brush as well as vacuum at the same time. So that is my take on this. I hope this was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you guys might have. I do appreciate you guys watching. Definitely hit the like and subscribe button for future content. I want to thank all my subscribers for watching. Definitely remember us at hallmarkpoolsupplies.com for all your pool needs. My name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.